In this video, I'm going to share with you how I made over $5,000 with just one video without the YouTube Partner Program. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So what I'm going to share with you in this video is my favorite method of making money on YouTube, which is affiliate marketing. I believe that is the best way to monetize the content on your YouTube channel. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, you shouldn't actually rely just on the AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video today. I'm going to show you the example of one video that I posted 4 years ago, and it has generated over $5,000 in that time, and it continues to generate sales for me automatically without me having to do anything. Now, before we jump into the video, if you want to learn how I actually built a full-time income online, you can download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It'll show you how you can actually start doing this for your own YouTube channel, or if you want to start an online business, how you can do the exact same thing. It's completely free and you can download it in the description below. So if you want to make money with YouTube, you don't have to rely on the YouTube Partner Program. In fact, it's one of the least effective ways to make money on YouTube. There's plenty of ways that you can make money on YouTube without the Partner Program. So affiliate marketing is your best friend when it comes to YouTube. So I'm going to jump to my computer. I'm going to show you the proof, and I'm going to show you how you can start doing this right away with your own YouTube channel. Okay, you guys, so I'm in the affiliate dashboard for my JVZoo account. And this is basically an affiliate network just like ClickBank, which you can sign up for free. I want to post a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And it's free to join. You can review basically thousands of products, thousands of digital products that you can promote as an affiliate, mostly software products and courses and things related to internet marketing, and things related to making money online and online marketing and things like that. So I've been a member of JVZoo for a number of years, and I have promoted a lot of products from JVZoo. So I want to show you the results for one of the products that I promoted just with video. And I didn't do any type of email marketing for this video. I didn't do any type of promotion or CPC, cost per click, or any type of paid campaign to promote this product. Basically, what I did is I just bought the product because I thought that the product was actually valuable, and I liked the software, so I started creating a review video for that specific software, and I posted the video on YouTube with the intention of ranking that video on the first page of YouTube for anyone else who was looking for that specific software. They could just see the actual software working, so they could see how it worked and whether or not it could actually work for their business. And if they wanted to buy the software, they could just do it through my link, and I would actually get a commission for that. So that was 4 years ago. I actually uploaded that video 4 years ago. In that time, and I'm not going to show you the actual name of the software or the product, and because I want to keep it private. Usually when you share this type of things online freely, like a video or website, there's always haters and people who will flag your video or try to take down your website or try to hack your stuff. So I've dealt with this type of things in the past, and I want to avoid it. So what I'll do is I'll show you the results without having to actually show you the video itself and the software, but I want to show you the numbers. So as you can see on the numbers, it was generated over $5,000 in sales. That was about an average of $48.50 per sale and about 71 cents per visitor. Now that's not a lot of sales. There's affiliates, super affiliates who can generate thousands of sales for a product, but just keep in mind that I didn't do any paid promotion for this product. All I did was just buy the product, create a review video, posted it on YouTube, did some of the optimization and SEO for that video to make sure it ranked on YouTube, and from there it continued to generate sales for me on a weekly and monthly basis. Till this day, that video continues to generate sales for me, even though the video is 4 years old. So I want to show you the video right now. So right now the video is sitting on the #1 spot for that specific product, and that was the name of the product itself plus review. And the video was posted 4 years ago, as you can see right here. And I did this not on the YouTube channel that you're in right now. Basically what I would do is just create multiple YouTube channels, and I would post 5, 6, 7 videos, sometimes 3 videos on those channels, and I would just optimize the videos to make sure that they would sit on that channel for a very long time. So in case something happens to that specific channel, I wouldn't lose all my videos. So again, when you're doing something like online marketing, you don't want to place all your eggs in one basket. You want to diversify. In case something happens, you still have a way for you to survive. So in that time, in 4 years, that video generated over 8,000 views. These are targeted views. These were views from people who were looking for information on that specific software, and so they already had a mindset that they were going to buy the software, so they just needed someone to explain how it worked. So that's exactly what I did in my video. I explained how it worked, and a lot of people were buying the software, were buying the product through my link. Now if we go back to JVZoo and we click on, let me just click on the products here, and we're going to click on launch list. This is where you'll find thousands of products that are launching on JVZoo on the coming days, weeks, and months, and you can see the amount of sales that those products are generating right now. And you can just review some of the products and what they do. And the best part is you can promote any of these products for free. You can request to be an affiliate, and if they approve the affiliate request, you can start promoting this product on YouTube or by email, anywhere. There's also products with 500 sales, so you can just click on it and it'll tell you, it'll show you the affiliate page or the sales page for that product, which you can buy the product yourself. I don't recommend that you promote something that you don't know how it works, because before people make a purchase decision, they want to see how it works. They want to see the product itself working and how they can use it for their own business. So in this case, if you find something that you really want to promote, make sure that you actually use the product yourself, that you know how it works, that you can actually show people how it works, so you have more chances of getting sales. Now if we go back to the top and you click on products inside of JVZoo, you can see the top sellers, and JVZoo will show you the top sellers for the day. It'll show you the top sellers for yesterday and the past 7 days and past 30 days. These are the products that are being bought by thousands of people in those time frames, and from there you can get ideas on what products do I want to promote, and you can get a better understanding on which products can make you a lot of money. Picking the right products to promote is crucial, but if you really want to get sales, the best thing that you can do is you want to pick new products that don't have a lot of competition, and you want to review that competition on YouTube. So if something launches today, for example, you want to make sure that you have a video review on that specific product within the first 7 to 10 days of that product launching, because there's probably not a lot of competition. And if you do know how to optimize your videos, you can probably rank your videos on the first page of YouTube. So that means you're going to get quality traffic of people looking to buy this specific product that you're reviewing. And you can see the potential of affiliate marketing with YouTube, and how you can actually build a full-time income with YouTube without the partner program, by simply using affiliate marketing resources and affiliate networks like JVZoo to actually make money. Now that you know that it's possible to make money on YouTube without the YouTube partner program using affiliate marketing, it's a matter of finding the right products that you want to promote. And usually what I do is I create multiple YouTube channels where I can promote these videos and I can promote these products, and they will sit there for years. Now they don't actually bring a lot of money on a monthly basis, but if you start adding up multiple videos in multiple channels, if you have 5, 10, 15, 20 videos that are bringing at least 1 or 2 sales per week, if you start adding up, that is a significant amount of money. If you continue to do this over the next 6 months, year, 2 years, in the end, if you're able to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube, most likely you will be able to make some money. So I really do hope that this video was valuable, and if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a question in the comment section below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money online. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.